Bitcoin spot ETFs see $52.8 million in outflows amid Fed's 50% basis point rate cut. Bitcoin ETFs. The reversal in trend comes amid the market's reaction to the Federal Reserve's recent decision to cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Last updated September 19, 2024 at 15:45 GMT. Author Ruholamin Haqshanas. Author Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto author profile share. Copied last updated September 19th, 2024 at 15:45 GMT3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs experienced $52.83 million in net outflows on Wednesday, breaking a 4-day streak of net inflows that had attracted over $1 million. The reversal in trend comes amid the market's reaction to the Federal Reserve's recent decision to cut interest rates by 50% basis points. The outflows were primarily driven by ARK Invest and 21 Shares RKB Fund, which saw a significant withdrawal of $43.41 million, according to data from SocialValue. GBTC and BITB report net outflows. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust GBTC also reported a net outflow of $8.13 million, while Bitwise's BITB registered a smaller outflow of $3.95 million. The only spot Bitcoin fund to record net inflows was Grayscale's Bitcoin Mini Trust, which gained $2.66 million. Meanwhile, 8 other funds, including BlackRock's IBIT, reported no daily movements. Despite the outflows, the 12 Bitcoin ETFs collectively reported a daily trade volume of $1.63 billion and an accumulated total net inflow of $17.44 billion. In the Ether market, spot ETFs also saw outflows, with $9.74 million withdrawn, as only 2 of 9 funds had any net movements. Grayscale's Ether fund led the outflows with $1 million, while BlackRock's Ether fund reported a modest inflow of $1 million. The Ether fund's total daily trade volume reached $221.88 million, up from $176.26 million on Tuesday. Since their introduction in July, Ether ETFs have accumulated a total net outflow of $1 million, highlighting the challenges faced in maintaining investor confidence in this volatile market. As reported, digital asset investment products saw a turnaround last week, with inflows reaching $436 million following a prolonged period of outflows totaling $1.2 billion. The reversal was influenced by shifting market expectations, particularly the potential for a 50 basis point interest rate cut. Bitcoin surges after Fed rate cut decision. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's price surged 3.03% over the past 24 hours, reaching $62,138 as investors reacted to the Federal Reserve's rate cut announcement. The Federal Open Market Committee's decision to reduce rates by 50 basis points is seen as a move to stimulate economic growth amid ongoing concerns. In the short term, a 50 BPS rate cut could signal to the market that the economy is slowing, hinting at underlying issues that may not yet be apparent, Matt Mina, crypto research strategist at 21 Shares, said in a comment. This could unsettle both traditional and digital investors, potentially triggering initial volatility. However, over the long term, Bitcoin and other digital assets have historically thrived in low interest rate environments. Mena added that this The move could signal a return of liquidity, sparking a risk-on sentiment and fueling a sharp Bitcoin rally as investors chase higher yields. Aside from Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies also performed well. Ether gained 4.14% to reach $2,414.60, while Solana jumped 6.21%, trading at $138.96, reflecting a broader recovery in risk assets driven by renewed market optimism. Follow us on Google News.